Eating soaked chia seeds will do this to your body. Did you know that chia seeds are full of nutrients? These seeds promote heart health, support strong bones, and improve blood sugar. This means it helps you make healthier than previous. What's more, chia seeds are versatile and can be used in many recipes. In this video, I'll share the important health benefits of eating soaked chia seeds daily. The regular consumption of chia seeds provides important vitamins and minerals to your body. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share the exact way to consume it. So if you're ready, let's get started. The fun fact about chia seed is that it offers 5 times more calcium than milk. Did you know that? Write in the comment box below. Chia seeds getting from the Salvia hispanica plant. And these black seeds are related to the mint. Surprisingly, the chia seeds have grown popular over the last few years. Chia seeds contain large amounts of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and plenty of high-quality protein. It also offers several essential minerals like calcium, manganese, and phosphorus. Further, chia seeds offer 3 times more iron than spinach. It is also full of antioxidants. All these nutrients help to maintain a healthy body and mind. Let's see the important benefits of consuming chia seeds regularly. Number 1. Good for bones and teeth. As I mentioned earlier, chia seeds are rich in calcium. One study has shown that increased consumption of calcium-rich foods can improve skeletal health. In addition, they're also rich in manganese. Calcium and manganese both are crucial for strong bones and teeth. In addition to that, the antioxidants can protect your teeth from damage. Number 2. Controls blood sugar. Chia seeds gel can improve insulin sensitivity and control blood sugar levels. It is also helpful in stabilizing blood sugar levels after meals. Chia seed slows down the digestion of sugars by creating a barrier between carbohydrates and digestive enzymes. As a result, it helps to steady the release of energy instead of a high sugar spike. Later, it also helps to control in-between meal snacking, which can manage blood sugar levels. Number 3. Lower risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are high in fiber, protein, and omega-3s. They may reduce your risk of heart disease. They are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol. Inflammation can put a strain on your blood vessels, and that cause heart diseases. For vegetarian people, soaked chia seeds are a great alternative of fish to get omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4. Enhanced digestion. Soaked chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, especially insoluble fiber that improves your digestive system. It offers 11 grams of fiber per ounce. The insoluble fiber cleans out the digestive tract and keeps it healthy. It can reduce your risk for many digestive diseases, such as colorectal cancer. Number 5. Prevent skin aging. Chia seeds contain lots of antioxidants, which can help to fight free radicals in your body. The antioxidants speed up the skin's repair systems and prevent further damage. And this process ultimately results in better, younger-looking skin with less wrinkles. Number 6. Keeps you hydrated. Because chia seeds can absorb so much water, they help your body retain water and electrolytes, which is great for athletes and active children. If you're going to be spending a day out in the sun, have some chia gel at breakfast and drink plenty of water. This will keep you safe from heat stroke. Number 7. It's celiac friendly. If you have gluten sensitivity, then chia seeds are a good option for you. It is a healthier alternative to processed grains. This makes them an important source of fiber and protein that's suitable for just about everyone. Use it to replace wheat, barley, rye, and oats. Number 8. Support weight loss. This is the most important benefit of soaked chia seeds. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. The fiber in chia seeds helps you feel full for longer periods of time. As per a study, chia seeds play a role in fat reduction. They are also rich in protein, which has been found to promote satiety and weight loss. Further, chia seeds help to lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. Due to all these benefits, chia seeds are referred to as one of the superfoods. Now let's know how to consume chia seed to get maximum benefits. One of the simplest way to include chia seeds in your diet is to add them to water. To make chia seeds water, soak 1/4 cup of chia seeds into 4 cups of water for 20 to 30 minutes. To give your drink some flavor, you can add chopped fruit or squeeze in a lemon, lime, or orange. Further, if you wish, you can consume raw, or it can be sprinkled on cereal, yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. So, what do you think about adding chia seeds to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the information, then give it a thumbs up to support us, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you want to know more about useful tips and remedies, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.